Lecture 10 of Alcohol Awareness Shift, De-Addiction and Recovery, Finding the Way Back. Namaskar, I am Dr. Rajendra Naure. In today's final lecture, we focus on the most hopeful and powerful part of this journey, how to come out of alcohol addiction and reclaim life. So first, alcohol addiction is a disease, not a moral failure. Addiction is not about weakness, it's a chronic brain disorder. It can be treated, managed, and reversed with help and not with shame. So, the first step, acceptance and motivation. Admitting the problem is, a, is the turning point. Motivation may come from family, health crisis, or inner voice. Even a relapse is not a failure. Restart with support. Third, where to start? Visit a doctor or de-addiction specialist, family physician, psychiatrist, or counselor can guide. Start with detoxification, followed by therapy and lifestyle change. Type of treatment: medical detox, safe removal of alcohol from the body under supervision, counseling and psychotherapy. Identify trigger, heal trauma, build new habits, medication. Some drug can reduce scarring or block the effect of alcohol. Group therapy, Alcohol Anonymous, AA, self-help, self-help circles, faith group, family support is crucial. Recovery improves greatly when family is involved, non-judgmental and encouraging. Spouses, parents, and even children can be a strong support system. 6. Life after alcohol. Improved health, better sleep, stronger relationships, new confidence, job performance, and self-respect. Ability to inspire others on the same path. 7. Relapse is a part of recovery. If someone drinks again, don't give up. It's common. Get back on track. Each attempt strengthens the will. Each attempt strengthens the will. Conclusion. Every person trapped in the alcohol can return to a meaningful life. What matters is the first step, asking for help. Let's open our hearts to healing and support. Those who seek recovery, together we can build a healthier, addiction-free society. Thank you.